Hey family, checking on my chickens. And as I'm walking over here, the other day I was sitting out on my deck and I saw a little fox, which I've seen a fox all the time that cuts through here. I think they have a den back there in those woods. But I see the fox. It stops over there. It's snooping around or whatever. And it comes up to my coop. And it stops like right there and it looks and it starts circling. Oh, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I'm being dramatic. But it started circling my chicken coop. And every direction it would go, my chickens would go to another direction. Basically, it was stalking my chickens. And I had to get up and come over and, let's say, shoo it away. I don't know if you guys saw my old video where I said the reason why I don't free range my chicken, and with that video it had the hawk just sitting up there, and this was just, I think, Monday or Tuesday, and the fox was just circling. And not to mention that, just I think last week, maybe Thursday or Friday, I'm pulling out of my driveway to go to work and I see something in the middle of the road and I see these white things in my yard. And as I take a look, as I pull out and I drive to go out my driveway, it's a chicken. So one of my neighbor's chickens was attacked. So I don't know which neighbor. I'm thinking it's my neighbor to the left because he has chickens as well. But yeah, and I don't know which direction it came from, but they were all white chicken feathers within my yard. So that's another reason why I don't free range. And if I do let my chickens out, I'm out here with them. And when I go in, they go in their coop. So if you have chickens or any type of small animals, just protect them, because there are animals out here. I mean, just protect them. So as I'm walking over to my chicken coop too, these little girlies, they're so cute. I'm just coming out here to check eggs. But anyways, and they're so sweet with all of their personalities. I still don't know whose chickens they are. And I don't know how many chickens. I was looking next door to see if I could see my neighbor's chickens, if they still had some left, but I think they had Buff Orpingtons as well. So I don't recall them having a white chicken. But I'm just coming in and I am just going to check for eggs, and you guys can watch them if they're in the frame because they're so nosy. And another thing also is that I can tell now that the days are getting shorter. I only got 2 eggs today. I got 2 eggs yesterday, so they're all not laying as much, probably because of where the coop is situated. And yeah, the change of the season. So that's something to be expected. And I still have a lot of eggs I need to preserve and, get prepared, or preserve. But yeah. And I put in, I don't know if I tell this on another video, I put in that large water barrel as well to keep water for them when it's hot, and this large food barrel. And that food barrel worked out well when we went on vacation for a couple of weeks, and that prevented us having to have someone come over and put food in for them. They would just come in and just get the eggs. So yeah, they're so nosy. Their door is cracked. And then I have this look there so they can't see right there. Chick, chick. The white ones are the old ones. I'm thinking about getting a few more. Do you guys have any suggestions on any nice, friendly, calm, quiet hens? Any suggestions? The Buff Orpingtons are pretty quiet. I had an Americana that died, and when I say, she just screamed and hollered for no reason. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and the main purpose of this video is to keep your chickens and small animals safe from these wild predators. Keep gardening, keep homesteading. Thanks for watching.